I don't care what happened to you when you were 7. I don't care what happened to you when you was 15. Get over it. There's people right now in their 50s still pining over some bad event that happened to them when they're 10, when they was 10. Yo, the physical, I mean, obviously there could be some mad physical scars. I'm not talking about that. But the physical pain of that event that happened to you when you was a child or over 30 years ago, you're not feeling that now. So it's all in your head. I know it's in your head because who remembers that scene in Men in Black where they used that device to wipe people's memory clean? If they use that device on you and you forgot that tragic event or whatever, you wouldn't have no recollection of it, so it wouldn't affect you. So I know it's in your head. You have to do what you need to do to get over it. Bury it, get over it. It's been 30 years. Why are you still pining and crying over something that happened 30 years ago? There's man who, you know, they got dumped by their wife or their missus 30 years ago, still not over their missus 30 years ago. Still not over their girlfriend 30 years ago. Crazy.